The first step towards achieving your dreams is having the right coach. Get the best education with India to International and make your NDMS and MBBS dreams come true.
A very warm good evening to all the doctors who are watching this video. I welcome you all on our channel India to International. I hope, first of all, I would like to thank you for trusting us and following us. And thank you for visiting our channel again. We have a quick update on next exam. This is a letter. What you can see it on your screen is the letter has been addressed to every medical college, be it private or government, or even for the sake deemed. The subject on the letter shows webinar on national exit test with all the medical colleges. So this is a very good news. The government, the NMC itself has decided to clear off all the air, clear off all the stress and anxiousness surrounding next exam. They have planned a webinar where the chairman of NMC himself will be addressing all the issues related to the next exam, and uh, it is a very good on the part of NMC that they have decided that a webinar would be a nice way to interact with the students to clear off the air and the confusion going around the exam. So this is a very good initiative by NMC, and every medical college has been asked to make an arrangement to accommodate all the final year students and the faculties and the deans of respective medical colleges to attend this webinar, which is scheduled to be on 27th of June 2023 at 2:30 p.m. And they have also planned a mock run on 26th of June at 2:30 p.m. again to verify that all the arrangements are in order and there is no technical glitch or any technical failure while the webinar is being conducted. So every college has been instructed to make an arrangement for every final year student to attend this webinar, maybe in their uh, halls or maybe in the auditoriums, whatever you may say it. So we are hoping a clear cut instruction from NMC on next exam 2023 December, and it will also clear the air, or it will also clear the stress for the students who are not qualified in 2023 examination, or who are not satisfied with their 2023 scores. So they are also waiting for to know what will be the upcoming exam. According to me being in this industry since years, what I think, so there will be a next exam coming up for the final batch, that is 2019 batch. They will have to appear next, and the candidates who have already cleared their internships and who already have a state medical council registration, who appeared for 2023 NEET PG, would be given a chance to appear in NEET PG 2024. This is what my gut feeling or my assumption is, but I believe for 2019 batch, it looks very real that next would be conducted. And if you want to have more clear idea on next exam, we have already posted a video. You may kindly check that out to get more idea on the exam, and everything will be informed on 26th by the chairperson of NMC himself. He himself will be addressing, which is really very appreciable. We sincerely lay our gratitudes towards NMC that they have taken such a step to make candidates aware of each and everything. And I hope everybody who's in 2019 batch pursuing their MBBS will be attending this webinar, and let's hope for the best. And I hope you have liked this information. This information was of some use to you. If you have liked it, if you have liked this information, kindly subscribe, like for our channel, and try to share this video with the students. Definitely, 2019 batch students would be informed by their respective colleges, but also to the candidates who are willing to appear for NEET PG 24 again. They are trying to repeat for the exam. kindly share this video. God bless you all. Thank you for taking out time, trusting us. God bless you all. And once again, laying our sincere gratitude towards NMC as well as every doctor of the country who has been serving humanity selflessly. God bless you all. Thank you. Happy thoughts.